We are taking a look at the recovery of just a tiny section of Southwest Florida. This is how it looks every day, and this is how it looked for a few days in September 2022. Notice how the Caloosahatchee up north got together with the Gulf of Mexico, coming from the south, and turned the whole area into an island for about 3 days. The recovery has been painfully slow. We're going to start checking the water features at Lakes Park. After 3 years, still gone. Supposed to be under contract to be rebuilt by next year. But now the biggest loser on all the destruction from Ian, mobile home parks. This is how it looked 4 years ago. At the other end of the spectrum, and of course lower priority on the rebuilding effort, preserves and nature areas like Estero Bay. This was Fast Tracks, a very well-known go-kart place. After they got flooded by Ian, they learned the lesson and moved 10 miles inland. It's now located by the airport. They just opened a new location. We are now walking 2 miles away from the Gulf of Mexico, and this beach store, this shopping plaza, and next door neighbor Indian Creek Mobile Home Park were flooded by Hurricane Ian's storm surge. Now checking on places that didn't even try to rebuild, like the Jungle mini golf course, the Fort Myers Beach bowling alley, and a brand new ice cream shop that was open for a few months just before Ian and never came back. The problem is so many mobile homes gone is the lack of residents / customers for local businesses. The local Publix is really a ghost town. Walmart, just about the same. At least one of the local gas stations is being rebuilt. Same with this old commercial plaza of McGregor Boulevard. Multiple mobile home parks are abandoned and the land is for sale. And now for the strange case of Century 21. Destroyed by a tornado 8 months before the hurricane, rebuilt, and then hit again really bad by Ian. They never came back, they just gave up. Small businesses like these restaurants didn't even try to rebuild. And on the other end, the largest attraction of the area, the main attraction, the Sunnyvale outlets, totally gone by now. They sat untouched for a couple of years. They went into full demolition mode this year. They're gone by now. Supposedly there's a plan for 2 new high rises, but I see signs of for sale again on the property, so maybe the buildings are not a sure thing. Some mobile home parks are trying, but I can imagine it's not that easy to sell lots in this location anymore. And most of the parks are not following that old rule that no RVs in the property, just mobile homes. Right now is anything goes. And the ones still in business are offering very limited services. There's no swimming pool or tennis courts or nothing like that. Occupancy is about 25-30% probably. Now this appears to be the new normal. 12-foot high elevations to avoid the storm surge. Not so sure how they're gonna handle winds and flying debris, but at least safe from the water. So many empty lots, it's really sad. And even nature is also struggling. That dead vegetation is making it really hard for the new plants to get back to normal. Let's hope it gets better in, I don't know, 2 or 3 more years, hopefully.